Excel in general is one of the most famous softwares for the data, storing the data, and also can do some analysis in there. Not required the well, not required much coding experience or things like this. That's why they using Excel, and I do still see lots of companies who still using Excel to come up with some analysis in there.
Yeah, and just to add on to what Noor was saying about the machine learning, so yeah, with Excel, there's no really coding required, whereas if you're looking into more the machine learning aspect of things, and when you're working with data sets, then you won't be really using Excel. You'll be looking into more programming and coding and manipulating the data set from that angle. So, but yes, in terms of working from the basics, I'd say Excel is a great starting point, and like Noor said, many companies use it nowadays. And it's a great skill to have, and if you have the chance to do the certificate for it as well, it'll be really good on your CV as well, whether that's for Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Azure.
Yeah. No, that's really useful for machine learning as well. So I assume you might be working with large data sets. What's the limit for Excel in terms of quantity of data? How many entries can you input, before you need to swap over to something else?
I don't believe there's when it comes to working on a big data, there are so many types of data. So for us, can be like a million, 2 million records on Excel, basically, and also we can use other data types, images, videos, records, and all these stuff. We use that one. So we use mostly. It depends on the work as well, but like Excel can be used. It's the most famous one for us to be used for the structured data, basically. But I didn't hear about any limit, to be honest. For
Yeah, but by that, I think there's just like an entry limit in terms of the rows. I think you can only enter so many rows in an Excel worksheet before you can't add any more. I'm not sure if it's 1 million, maybe. I think Google Sheets might be at 5 million entries, but
yeah, basically it's per sheet. It's per sheet. Basically, can be up to like 1,050,000 rows.
okay,
That,
okay,
that's
cool, cool.
and 16,000 columns, basically. But in terms like what we do use, like 1 million is you're talking about quite a large data set, right? So we do separate that, like when it comes to cleaning the data and all this stuff. So it will be much less than the actual entry that you have. Uh, I think you will go through that during this bootcamp about cleaning the data and start normalizing as well as all this stuff. So the reason that they use in database, they use normalizing is to narrow down the amount of data that you have, but as well as keeping everything as it is, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. No, that's really good. That's so in a sense, you shouldn't really be expecting to work with huge data sets because you're going to compensate for that by reducing it and making it more manageable. Is that the
Yeah,
general gist? Okay,
yeah.
cool. Awesome. Yeah, no, sorry, I've talked a lot. Yeah, no more questions from my side.
Happy to answer anything anytime.
Yeah, thank you both. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, I'm not sure if anyone else has any other questions. From my side, I'll just maybe work through those Excel documents, Sassan, just to see how they are. That seems like a good use of time.
Yep, sounds good. Yeah. You have any
Okay.
questions, just feel free to ask again.
Yeah, nice one. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Well, it was lovely to speak to you anyway, and I'll see you soon, hopefully tomorrow.
Yes, see you tomorrow,
All
hopefully.
right. Take it easy. Bye bye.
Yeah, take care. Does anyone else have any questions for me and Nour that they want to ask?
There is no question from my side, actually, taking.
No, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Yes, so tomorrow again, same time from 10 to 12.
Yeah, awesome. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.
See you tomorrow.